going to start out first from the acupuncture perspective. So here you can see triple warmer 10 and 11 on the back of the arm. Triple warmer 10 sits right above the elbow joint where the Golgi's tendon connects to the bone. And triple warmer 11 is slightly higher. Both of them require inward pressure. Now if you look at, and when I say inward pressure, I mean directly perpendicular to the joint and or the arm. If you look at this arrow right here, this points down. Now, if you want to get one reaction, you push down. If you want to make the shoulder jump, then you would push either one of these in and up. Both of them create a spinal reflex that we'll go into further when we look at this from the Western medical perspective. Now we're going to start out by looking at this from the anatomical perspective, and we are going to build our person and or our technique one part at a time. So the area that we're talking about here is this. And let's add first just the connective tissue over here. So you can see the different parts that come into this. Okay, it's not just, an overlay of skin. That's a totally different system. Now we're going to add some of the muscles in here. Now let's add some of the nerves. And as we do this, we're going to be moving in and out where we take out some of the muscles so you can have a better view of what you're looking at. So now I'm going to zoom in. Okay, so let me get out my tools here. This is the area that we're looking at right now. So here, this is triple warmer 10. And triple warmer 11 is about right there. We were discussing the angle and direction in the acupuncture view earlier. So I'm going to spin him a little bit. So let's go back to my tools. The angle and direction, I need to attack this point. I need to press through in this direction, and then I'm going to press downward. So I always have to maintain this angle right here, because when I start to take him a different direction, like here, 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 rotating all these different ways, that angle again will stay consistent, perpendicular to his arm, even if I'm going to move him in this direction. It's still perpendicular to the arm this way. And that's on both 10 and 11. Now let's look at the triceps tendon. As you can see, the triceps tendon is the common tendon for the long lateral and medial heads of the tricep muscle, or the triceps brachii muscle. It inserts into the olecranon process of the ulna, which is this right here. Similar to the knee tendon when a doctor is testing spinal reflex and sensory motor functions, the tricep tendon does the same thing for cervical vertebrae 7 and 8. So now we're going to take a look at actually applying the technique